Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And let me get this. Okay, so welcome back to another video. So I'm not gonna be taking a break again. It's just that new setup. I'm just gonna finish reorganizing my room, and then I will play a Roblox game. But I'm pretty sure you guys might make fun of me, but I don't care about that. But yeah, just gotta finish up putting some stuff in place, and I'll get back to you guys. So I'll be right back. Just be right back. Okay, guys. So apparently I'm playing Minecraft. I thought I was gonna play Roblox, but apparently there's been like a access denied thing while I was trying to play a game, but that didn't work. So I don't think I'm allowed to play Roblox on my laptop anymore. But I'll probably grab a new one if I get one on my birthday. Not positive yet, but I will probably get my channel back on my new laptop if I get one though, so I can record Roblox again. So I decided to give you guys a tour of my house. It's actually really big. I've been working on it for at least 5 days. Each day I took a break, take a nap, and I'm going to play on my Xbox. So I'm gonna show you it. Well, actually, you can actually see a deserted road, but I think you already saw it. Not sure, but I'll actually show the whole thing. 3, 2, 1, boom! Look at this beaut. Lava on tap for a light. Oh, you actually see the sun coming up. Okay. So I actually made my house near a village. I got lost, so apparently I found my trail of destruction, and I apparently found it. So let's go inside. So you go through this glowstone building, and then you enter here. No, there wasn't anything. For crying out loud, how do these guys get in here? One second. So I feel like they get chopped. Where did that zombie go? There's a skeleton? There you are. Okay, so this is my lower house. This area, oh, sorry. So this area, I'm gonna probably like, for crying out loud. So this area right here, I'm gonna probably put like different wolves. Not sure what the name's gonna be, but I'll plan that so I can make a video on that. But this next floor here is a room, my bedroom. So then here is the armor stands, anvil, 2 chests, ender chest. So is anything in there? Oh yeah, I have a shield, protection leggings, pants, chest plates, helmet, bow, and a sword, which I did a little bit of enchanting. So I got sharpness 5 on this thing, fire spec 2, knockback 2, bow nothing yet, but I will get on that soon. Diamond helmet, fire protection, unbreaking. Actually, sorry, fire protection 4 and unbreaking 3. Chest plate, blast protection 4. Diamond leggings protection 4. Diamond boots, projectile protection 4. And I have a shield. I don't think that's available right now, but let's just put it in here. I know. I put a lot of stuff here. This is the stuff I use for the trail. TNT. So, in here I got loads and loads and loads of crap in here. Here are blue beds. I'm gonna say, well, Well, I haven't actually put the signs on here yet, but I will do that soon. So here is where I guess sleeps. This will be my bed, and I guess, but not sure yet. But on this top floor here, we have sorry, and good gosh, 11 o'clock. Holy crap! Actually, my parents are redoing the basement right now. We're redoing our entire basement, except for the TV, my Xbox, and everything. That's still gonna be there. My table downstairs. But I will make a video of that on my other channel as soon as it's done. So I'll make a video on that. If you want to go check that out, I'll put my channel in the description below when this video is out. That's good. Okay. Take a bite of my ice cream. So then, this will be like a great lamp since like I have 2 of them right here. But I might put 4 beacons on top so I can like show each location. I'm gonna put them different colors. So I will do that after this video. So then this will probably be like another party area. So like I'll put a gate here in case I want to put like animals, like a farm area, and I'll do that. So here's basically. Oh yeah, I haven't shown you this area yet, so I'm gonna go down there. There not be a freaking spider in here. Okay, good. How the heck do these like spiders get in my house anyway? And zombies. Will that be from here? I don't know. Okay, over here I have a water and lava building. In here, I was supposed to put my horse, but he died while I tried doing the explosion thing. So I'm gonna like do that again, and hopefully this time I'll keep him inside there. So that is actually my house tour on Minecraft. This is creative mode, by the way, so if you tell, there's no parts, but oh yeah, there's one more thing here. I better not get freaking lost again. Okay, I'm gonna go back and do this. My house is disappearing, which is not good. That is a good thing, but here goes. Woo! Yep. So that is it. I'm just gonna end my video in this lava lamp. I actually do have a lava lamp on right here, and the black light over there, it looks super dope. When I'm like recording this video right now, it looks like what does it look like? It looks like pink for some reason, but it looks so sick. It's actually purple, but the black light. I already mentioned this once on my other channel, my setup. So I said that this thing was like it's obviously black light, but you can actually like put it on the ground. You can actually see your teeth. And like if you have like a bright color shirt on, like lime green, blaze orange, bright yellow, or hot pink, sky blue. If you have either of those bright colors, actually no, white, it will just bright your shirt up. Oh my gosh, I actually love that thing so much. That's like the second one that was in my basement. I did have one of them, but that one kept on glitching out and keep getting solid black, so I threw that out. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this house tour video on Minecraft. I hope you guys really liked it. Smash the like button on this video. If you want me to add some more stuff, put them in the comments below, and I'll add them. Excuse me, but yep. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I shall see you guys. Actually, we're gonna end up with this. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you next time. Peace.